Why Hindu gods are blue? The hidden truth about Krishna, Shiva and Vishnu will change your mind. In the vast and colorful world of Hindu mythology, one question often arises in the minds of devotees, artists, and curious observers alike: why are many Hindu gods shown in blue? Why is Vishnu blue? Why is Krishna dark blue? And why is Shiva often depicted with a blue throat or blue body? Is it only an artistic style, or is there a deeper truth hidden behind this divine color? The answer lies not in biology or physical appearance, but in symbolism, philosophy, and spiritual insight. In Hindu thought, colors are never random. Every form, every gesture, every object carries meaning. Blue is one of the most profound colors because it points toward the infinite, the cosmic, and the truth beyond ordinary vision. The blue gods of Hinduism are not asking us to focus on skin color, they are inviting us to look beyond the surface of life itself. Blue is the color of infinity. When human beings look upward, they see the endless blue sky stretching beyond reach. When they look outward, they see the deep blue ocean whose limits cannot easily be measured. Both sky and sea appear vast, mysterious, and boundless. They remind us of something greater than ourselves. In the same way, Hindu gods represented in blue symbolize that which cannot be contained by time, place, or form. The divine is not limited like ordinary objects. It is everywhere, within everything, and beyond everything. Blue becomes the visual language for this truth. It tells the devotee that God is not merely a person standing in front of them, but the limitless consciousness that holds the universe together. A devotee gazing at a blue deity in awe is, in reality, gazing at a symbol of infinity. The image helps the mind rise from the small concerns of daily life towards something eternal and immeasurable. Among all blue deities, Vishnu is one of the most significant. Vishnu is known as the preserver, the sustainer of cosmic order, the one who maintains balance whenever the world falls into disorder. He rests upon the cosmic serpent in the ocean of existence, calm and steady while creation unfolds. His blue form represents his vastness and his ability to contain all worlds within himself. Just as the sky covers the earth and the ocean holds countless creatures, Vishnu bears the universe with patience and compassion. His blue complexion reminds devotees that preservation is not a small act. To sustain life, protect righteousness, and restore harmony requires a consciousness as broad as the heavens. Vishnu's avatars, especially Krishna and Rama, descend to earth whenever dharma declines. Even when he appears in human form, the blue symbolism remains. The divine may come close to humanity, yet it never loses its infinite nature. Krishna, perhaps the most beloved form of Vishnu, is often shown in dark blue like a monsoon cloud. His beauty is not merely physical, it expresses spiritual depth. Krishna's life is filled with love, playfulness, wisdom, and compassion. He charms the people of Vrindavan, guides the Pandavas, and delivers the immortal teachings of the Bhagavad Gita. Why is Krishna blue? Because his love has no boundaries. Human love is often conditional. We love those who love us, we prefer some over others, and our emotions rise and fall. Krishna represents divine love without limits, love that embraces all beings equally. Blue, the color of the endless sky, becomes the perfect symbol for such boundless affection. When devotees worship Krishna, they are not only drawn to a beautiful image, they are drawn to the possibility of a love that transcends ego, jealousy, and division. His blue form teaches that the heart can become vast like the universe itself. Shiva offers another profound dimension of the blue symbolism. Shiva is the ascetic, the destroyer of ignorance, the lord of meditation, and the force of transformation. In many depictions, his throat is blue, earning him the name Nilkantha, the blue-throated one. This comes from the famous story of the churning of the cosmic ocean when deadly poison emerged and threatened all creation. To save the universe, Shiva drank the poison and held it in his throat, preventing it from spreading. The blue throats therefore symbolize sacrifice, courage, and the power to transform danger into protection. In some forms, Shiva's whole body also carries a bluish hue, reflecting his identity with the cosmic vastness and the stillness of the infinite sky. Shiva teaches that true greatness is not domination but self-sacrifice. He shows that spiritual power means absorbing negativity without allowing it to destroy the world. Blue here becomes the color of endurance and inner mastery. Yet the deepest lesson is that we should see beyond the color itself. Hindu tradition has always used images as doors to understanding, not as final truths. The gods are not blue in the way a wall is blue or a garment is blue. Their color is symbolic, a teaching tool for the human mind. If someone stops at the outer appearance, they miss the inner message. The image points beyond itself. Vishnu's blue asks us to think of cosmic responsibility. Krishna's blue asks us to awaken limitless love. Shiva's blue asks us to practice sacrifice and transformation. Thus the real question is not, why are they blue? But, what does the blue awaken within us? The purpose of sacred art is to move consciousness from surface to essence, from form to meaning, from side to inside. This also leads to an important social reflection. Does the blue form of Hindu gods encourage us to look beyond racial discrimination? In many ways, yes. Human societies have often judged people by skin color, race, appearance, or external identity. Such judgments create prejudice, arrogance, and suffering. But in Hindu imagery, the highest beings are shown in colors not found in ordinary human skin tones: blue, ash gray, golden, green, or radiant light. This breaks the habit of worshipping appearance. Divinity cannot be reduced to race. If the most adored gods can be blue, then clearly sacredness has nothing to do with human color categories. The message is powerful: character matters more than complexion, consciousness matters more than color, and virtue matters more than outward features. When a devotee bows before a blue deity, knowingly or unknowingly they are bowing before a truth greater than racial bias. They are reminded that the soul has no skin color. A devotee standing before the image of Krishna in a temple, or before Shiva in meditation, or before Vishnu in serene majesty, often experiences awe. This awe comes not merely from decoration or tradition, but from the silent recognition that life contains mysteries larger than everyday struggles. The blue form opens the imagination. It suggests that reality is deeper than material surfaces. It tells the worshipper that behind chaos there is order, behind fear there is protection, behind sorrow there is love, and behind change there is transformation. Such devotion can become a path of inner healing because symbols speak directly to the heart. What can we learn from this composition? We learn first that myths and sacred images carry philosophical truths hidden beneath their outer stories. We learn that blue in Hinduism symbolizes infinity, compassion, sacrifice, and cosmic presence. We learn that Vishnu sustains the universe, Krishna loves without limits, and Shiva transforms poison into protection. We learn that true spirituality asks us to move beyond appearances and search for deeper meaning. We also learn an ethical lesson. Discrimination based on color is ignorance, because the divine itself appears in forms beyond ordinary categories. Finally, we learn that the purpose of religion is not to trap the mind in literalism, but to expand the mind toward wisdom. The blue gods of Hinduism are therefore not strange figures from ancient art, they are timeless reminders that the greatest truths of life are vast, inclusive, and beyond the narrow judgments of the human eye. Thank you for listening to our article. I hope it seemed meaningful to you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos.